Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a Greek burger. So what we have is some ground turkey here that we've seasoned up. We have some pitas that we just simply tore apart by hand and sprinkled them with milk and then put them in the food processor, ground them up, and that's acting as the binder inside of our turkey meat. We've got some garlic, some salt, some pepper. We added a little bit of paprika just to kind of season it up. So now we're going to form these into patties. All right, I've used a little bit of panko breadcrumbs to kind of dry out my mixture. You may find that you need to do that, and you may find that you don't. So just whatever it takes to get a nice firm consistency. All right, so we've got our burgers ready. We have a pan heating up and we're going to transfer these over and begin cooking them in just a second. Okay, so we're ready to begin pan frying our burgers. All right, let them brown. All right, so we have a little bit of a side salad as an accompaniment to our burgers. We have some Greek yogurt, got a little bit of Dijon mustard, have some finely chopped garlic, some fresh mint, a little bit of dried oregano, a little drizzle of olive oil, nice pinch of kosher salt, a few cracks of black pepper. Give this a stir. Okay, now we're going to go in with our diced cucumber. Mix that up. Got a little bit of lemon juice. And you're good to go. So you can let this set. You can put it in the refrigerator and let it chill. And it'll be good to go. All right, we're ready to give our burgers a flip. Okay, our burgers are browned. We're going to transfer them to a paper towel. All right, so our burgers are ready. We've got them setting on paper towels. We're just going to finish those by putting them in some pitas. We're going to top them with some sliced onion and sliced tomato, and pair them with our cucumber salad, and we'll plate it up and show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.